Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we're doing an AliExpress haul video. I got 3 packages for today. I'm gonna start with the small one. Alright, I see a stamp. A big stamp. Okay, so this is one big stamp and it's an image of ink and a feather pen and some paper. So it's mostly for journal. But it's actually, I think, good enough to use on a card as well. Good details. The feather might be a little bit crowded. We'll have to double check. And then we have a few smaller ones for background, like background elements. And birdies. Bird. Little bird. And a bird cage. So 6 stamps in this package. Very nice, good detailing. This might be a little bit too crowded. When I say crowding, I mean a lot of black in the same spot, and it might just like bleed in together when I stamp it, but not always. I've had stamps that looked very dark on this example part, but then when they came out very clean. Alright, a big package here. I think it's a silicone mold. Yes. Anyone has an idea what this is? Just guess. Can you guys guess what this is? This is a silicone mold to make trays out of resin. In here we have this. This will be the tray. And this is the handle for it. 2 different kinds of handles. So one of them is like kind of like straight, and it's supposed to look like a wood, so it's a little bit not perfectly even. And this one is like this. So handles for the mold. Good. I cannot wait to test this out. I'm still learning a little bit about resin before I get started on it, so you guys have to wait a little bit longer. Then I have this yellow package. It's very well packed. Okay, so this has washies. Lots of washies. I see some Alice. Okay, first one is a big Alice washi. I actually have this in smaller. So we have Mad Hatter and Alice Falling and a few more. Then a big floral one, watercolor flowers. Another big one. This is, looks like green themed things, a few different things. Another big flower, beautiful. Very good color, very sharp design. I have something similar to this one. This is like Japanese buildings. See, we have the cherry blossom tree right there. Another Alice in Wonderland. Washi. There is a few things on here. We'll take a closer look in the washi videos. For the washi videos, I have a special playlist just for them where I show each washi. I put it on paper and then show it to you guys what it looks like on a closer look. Looks like this is cake. Oh wait, no, sorry. Not cake. It's a unicorn inside a glass jar and some other things. Another Alice in Wonderland. Look. See? Same design, but this is a regular washi. This is also a washi, but it's completely see-through. And then we have a strawberry themed, I think. Yeah, I cannot see much of this one. Let's see, flowers. See, oh wait. Oh, same thing, but just like the Alice one, this has no background at all. It's completely see-through like glass. Very good colors. Oh, this is tiny. I've never seen something this tiny. This is also a Alice in Wonderland washi. It's kind of like a manga washi. Cute. Then we have another Alice. Yes, lots. Let's see. I think this is mostly just... it only says Wonderland. Mostly just the elements. We have a small flower one. Butterflies. And a few other elements. Very beautiful. This is... it's a dress stand, so it's gonna be about this big. Good. A black and white one. This is for vintage. Very good. Roses, flowers, amazing detail, very sharp colors. Very good. I like this one. A few more. Looks like flowers again. Nice. Good color. Looks like it's good detail. Two. Okay. A rose petal, some other flowers, and then even have like a little rose oil extract. Looks like it. The rose themed. This is for journals. This one is vintage tickets. Vintage tickets. Good. Looks like it's good quality. Very sharp. Let's see. The date. Row 7, seat 12. Saturday, December the 12th. I cannot see the year. But, very good. Very good. And then we have this panda one. Wait, what is this? This is a really cute bag. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Mushrooms. So this is not glued together, so we have large mushrooms. Wow. Ribs. Skeleton ribs. I do not see repeating on it. That's interesting. Oh, we're almost done. This is it. There's a lot of details, but it's just one of everything. It doesn't repeat on itself like they usually do. A little bit shiny too. And then it looks like they sent me a gift. We have a couple of, just a little bit of stickers. Washi, pieces of washies. Excuse me. What is your business here? Go, 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 go. Go that way. Go that way. And we also got a couple of sheets. Stickers. Washi stickers as a gift. Very nice. Not everyone gives gifts, so this is very sweet. And then this big one. Got these as a gift. Alright, that was it for this video. It was a quick haul. No dies. Can you believe it? No dies in this video, but this was it. There's an open giveaway going on right now. Make sure you enter for a chance to win. And I will talk to you guys in the comments down below. Have a fantastic rest of the day.